Namaste and a warm greeting to everyone. I am Shiva Gauri, an 18-year-old born and brought up in Cochin. I am a design aspirant and I am currently preparing for my NIFT entrance. And I have been dancing since the age of 4, and it has taught me discipline and the art of self-expression. And therefore, with the Miss Bharat platform, I hope to build a community that help and support each other in finding their true voices. I stand here not just carrying my dreams, but also the values instilled in me. I'm here to shine, to inspire, be inspired, and leave a mark. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please note this is contestant number 081 moving on to contestant number 082.